As we near closer and closer to the expected fall release of iOS 8, in preparation, beta versions have been pushed to developers for improvement before the official release. Apple's latest update to the software and works, Beta 3 offers many new minor tweaks, amongst them a new icon for the new iCloud Drive under the iCloud settings menu. From here, users can upgrade from only storing basic documents and data to an array of different document types, all with iCloud. This being the first sight of iCloud Drive in iOS 8 betas, it's definitely a welcome addition. And making things just a little better looking during your iOS experience, the Weather app has received a slight design change as information is now centered for better viewing. And with both iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite announced at this year's Developers Conference, continuity features like handoff can now be toggled on and off via iOS 8, perfectly placed under general settings in preparation for their official releases. Messaging also got quite the update too, with iOS 8 enabling the ability to send self-destructing audio and video messages. iOS 8 Beta 3 shares an option to automatically store what you send quickly and easily. Amongst support for third-party keyboards in iOS 8, a new built-in QuickType keyboard feature was introduced as well. But under the keyboard settings, if you don't like it in Beta 3, you can now turn it off. And you can also check out more awesome iOS 8 videos like our top 8 hidden features on the official Cult2Mac TV YouTube channel. Keep up with the latest news always on Cult2Mac.com. Well, that was a quick look at iOS 8 Beta 3, but what do you think about all of these new tweaks? Do you like them or not? Or what do you hope to see before the official fall release? Let us know on Twitter or right here in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, do me a favor and click that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos like this, posted 7 days a week. This has been Joshua Smith of Cult2Mac.com.